Hi guys, I just got my hair from TikTok shop. Let's try it on together. Oh, this is long. Okay guys, so this is a 9x6 glueless wig. It's pre-cut and it's 30 inches deep wave. So guys, to make this hair fuller without brushing it, I'll just do like this. I'll turn it upside down and shake it, then bring it back. You see, it's already full, so I don't need to brush my hair. Now let's put it on. Guys, can you guys see this? Straight from the pack. I've not styled the hair yet, straight from the pack. So guys, this is the final result. So this is from TikTok shop. Let me show you how it looks behind. This is the back view. Guys, I'll be leaving the link below this video, so click on the link and go get yours. And don't forget to thank me later.